case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2004 Tennessee Supreme Court case, Quavan Properties Inc. v. RaceTrac Petroleum Inc., the court addressed the obligations of lateral support between adjoining properties. The dispute arose between two parties, with the plaintiffs planning to excavate their land and the defendant fearing that this would lead to the loss of support for their parking lot. The Court of Appeals had previously ruled that property owners have a right to lateral support from adjacent soil, but only for land in its natural state. The case involved RaceTrac Petroleum, who owned a parcel of land in Cookeville, Tennessee, that included a gas station and parking lot, and the plaintiffs who later bought a 3.221-acre portion of the property. The plaintiffs wanted to develop their land, which required removing a sloped embankment that supported the defendant's parking lot, leading to the defendant's objection and the eventual lawsuit. The Supreme Court ultimately held that lateral support principles only applied to land in its natural state, meaning landowners who altered their land, such as by adding constructions, were responsible for preventing soil encroachment on neighboring properties. The plaintiffs had the right to excavate their land, but had to exercise care to avoid damaging the defendant's parking lot. On the other hand, the defendant was responsible for preventing fill dirt collapse onto the plaintiff's property and paying for any necessary retaining walls. The plaintiffs were obligated to maintain natural lateral support, while the defendant was responsible for supporting their land's current level. The Court of Appeals' judgment was affirmed, with the appellant bearing the costs of the appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.